Hypodontia is a dental condition characterized by the congenital absence of one or more teeth. This condition can have various impacts on an individual's oral health, function, and dental aesthetic appearance. While hypodontia is relatively common, many people may not be familiar with it or may misinterpret its symptoms. This article aims to provide a comprehensive overview of hypodontia, including its causes, diagnosis, and treatment options, ensuring that individuals who experience this condition can make informed decisions about their dental health. What is hypodontia? Hypodontia refers to the condition where an individual is born with fewer teeth than the normal complement. While it can affect any tooth in the mouth, it most commonly impacts the third molars, wisdom teeth, lateral incisors, and second premolars. The absence of teeth can lead to functional issues, including difficulty in chewing, speech problems, and an increased risk of dental misalignment. Understanding hypodontia is essential, as it can often be confused with other dental conditions. The term hypodontia is often used interchangeably with agenesis, although the latter term refers more broadly to the absence of any organ or tissue due to developmental failure. Hypodontia can run in families, suggesting a genetic predisposition. Certain genes are associated with the development of teeth, and mutations in these genes can lead to the absence of teeth. Research indicates that hypodontia can be linked to various genetic syndromes. In cases of mild hypodontia, the dentist may recommend regular monitoring without immediate intervention. This approach allows for close observation of tooth development and potential issues. Treat hypodontia at Fillmore Dental Group. Hypodontia can pose unique challenges, but understanding the condition and exploring treatment options can lead to effective solutions. If you or someone you know is experiencing hypodontia, it's essential to seek professional dental advice. At Fillmore Dental Group, we specialize in providing personalized care for patients with hypodontia and other dental concerns. Our team is dedicated to helping you achieve a healthy, confident smile. Contact us today to schedule an appointment and take the first step toward managing your dental health effectively.